We all attract different viewers, curious, inspired, cautious, and ready to take action. No matter which one they are, someone out there is one step closer to saying yes. As a digital entrepreneur using attraction marketing, there are four types of people who usually visit my page. First, yung curious scroller, just exploring and wants to know what I do. Sila yung silent follower na nagiging curious kung bakit, ano kung ginagawa ko, scroll muna sila at hindi pa sila ready mag-message sa akin. So, sila yung mga titingin-tingin muna bago mag-message sa akin. Just like one time, I posted something and then she messaged me because also they were inspired what I'm doing too. Second is the lifestyle dreamer. So, ito yung see your business as a way to live with more freedom and purpose. So, ito yung mga audience na na-inspire sa'yo na, oh, why? Grabe, sana ganito rin ang life ko. Yung may more time, freedom, more choices. Nakaka-inspire yung post ko, kaya lagi siyang bumabalik. So, yung third naman is the skeptical researcher. Checks if what I share is real, authentic, and worth it. Sila yung mga skeptical, tinitingnan muna nila kung ito ba yung business ko or yung business page ko ay real ba yung mga pinopost ko, at saka na hinahanap nila yung results. So, yun yung mga taong yung skeptical. So, which is also normal to be skeptical para hindi, marami kasing scam online. So, pinoprotektahan nila yung sarili nila from any scam online. Hindi sila nagmamadali, pero gusto nila ng sure na business. Ang fourth naman yung mga action taker. Once inspired, they take the next step right away. Ang ganda nito kasi go-getter sila. Hindi nagte-take sila ng risk, nagme-message agad. Once na feel nila na para sa kanila, mabilis silang kumilos. So, in any businesses, there's always ups and down. At yung mga audience na nag-take ang risk, yun sila yung mga ready to change their life, to change their life at gusto nilang guminhawa ang buhay nila. So, tell me, which type of shopper are you? I know, marami kayong mga silent follower ko. Pero I'd love to know, and let's talk.